This is giving me emo girl.
Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK. Reluctantly, cause most of this press don't fuck with me. The style one said, tell me cool down, down. Don't act a fool now.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aria. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got my eyebrows like this, trying the blonde eyebrow trend. I've done it previously in one of my older YouTube videos, but I just wanted to try it again with the full look. I've been really obsessed with like the blonde eyebrow, like dark eyeshadow trend all over Pinterest. I've been seeing it constantly, so I'm like, why not try it myself, and why not record a video for you guys? I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope you stay tuned for the next one. Okay guys, so first I'm gonna start off by just taking some got2b spray, and I'm just gonna spray a little on my finger and then put it on my eyebrows, because for this look I need my eyebrows to be like stuck. Like I need them to be like flat on my face so that the concealer and powder can fully cover it, and then just brush it upward and using my finger to press my eyebrows in. And doing that on the other side so that my eyebrows look like this. This already looks a little bit crazy, but like always, we're gonna finesse it. And now that my eyebrows are all cemented on my face, I'm just gonna take a little bit of setting powder on this brush and just apply it on my eyebrows just to get rid of any oils. And as you can see, y'all, it already looks like I have blonde eyebrows, and that's because I have no eyebrows. Next, I'm gonna go on my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Tan, and I'm just gonna apply some on my hands. I don't want to add too much. I'm just gonna take this smaller eyebrow brush and I'm gonna start filling in my eyebrows with the concealer. Making sure to cover all the hair completely. And when applying it, you don't want to go back and forth. You want to go in the way your eyebrow grows, which is to the right. Now that we've done all of that, I'm just going to highlight and do my normal brow routine. And I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso. I'm just going to outline my brows. I'm going to be using this brush. As always, if you're not new to my channel, you've seen these brushes 1,000 times. But I'm just going to line my eyebrow how I regularly would. And I'm going to do that on the other side as well. Now that I under highlighted my brow, I'm just gonna clean up the top, get rid of those unwanted blonde streaks. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna double back in with some of the e.l.f. concealer just to really make the eyebrows stand out. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna blend it out with this brush using my setting spray. I'm gonna blend it out, making sure that I do not touch any of the blonde concealer. And just blend out above the brow as well. Now that I blended that all out with my brush, I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend it a little more in depth to kind of get that like cast away from the eyebrow. Now I'm gonna move on to the next step, which is going to be the eyeshadow look. So I'm gonna go in with the same Camo Concealer and I'm just gonna apply a little bit on my eyelid just so that it's a smooth base for the black eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with my beauty blender, of course, and I'm just gonna blend it out. I'm doing eyeshadow before I do the rest of my face because I don't want any of the fall off to go on my face once I've already done all my concealer and stuff on my face. I'm gonna first go in with this really dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna apply it like at the corner of my eye, like right here. I'm gonna apply it right here just to kind of make a little crease, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna do that on the other side as well, making that small crease right above my eyelid. Okay, so now that I've made that little crease, it looks like there's nothing, but trust me, there's something. I'm gonna go in with black eyeshadow. I'm just gonna apply it right at the very center, right at the very middle. I'm gonna do it on the other side as well. And then I'm just gonna blend it outwards this way, in like an upwards motion. And I'm gonna do the same thing Not adding any more product, just taking the product that I already had and just blending it upward. So it makes like a kind of like cat eye effect without there really being a cat eye. I'm gonna go in with this little light brown shade. I'm just gonna apply it above the black to kind of make like a smooth transition. So it's not just like black, it's like brown, black. You know, you get the vibe, you get the vibe. Again, just going slightly above that black eyeshadow and just blending it in. Basically just gonna double back with that black eyeshadow and just blend it in. Okay guys, so now that I have like this kind of like smudged eyeliner look, I'm just gonna go in with that same eyeshadow and I'm just gonna make like a little tiny circle right above where that like wing would be. I'm really bad at explaining things. I really hope this stuff makes sense. Now I'm gonna get into my base of my face and I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso. And I'm just gonna do how I normally do it on my face. Just make a line right here, as well as one straight line right here. Do it on the other side as well, and on the other side of my nose. I'm just gonna add some on my chin and above my lip. And then as always, I'm going to blend with my brush and then my beauty blender. Now that that's blended, I'm gonna start with my contour, and as always I'm gonna use a dark brown shade to contour. I'm gonna use this small tiny angled brush and start off at the bottom of my nose and at the middle, and then I'm gonna make like a V shape going downwards, starting at my eyeshadow. I'm just going down. And guys, when I'm doing my contour, I'm not moving like this, I'm going like this. I'm not going back and forth because that will make your skin look textured, and skin's always gonna look textured, but no, in most cases with makeup you don't want your skin to look super textured. So just go straight down and don't do the brushing movement, just go down. Okay guys, I think my contour is all set, so I'm just gonna go on my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Almond, and I'm just gonna highlight my face kind of in the same way that I do my concealer, like at the bottom of my nose, the sides of my nose, and the outer part of my eye, and do that on the other side as well. I'm just gonna add tiny little dots on the contour of my nose. As you know, because we're not new to this, we're true to this, I'm gonna blend that with my brush and my beauty blender as well. Let that thing down and point at you. Billy or the Rari, all at you. We gon' ride the plane, free the loop. We gon' take the boy back to school. No, smart. Then you guys, I'm just gonna clean up my contour. Just going over it with a little bit of product, not too much. So now for my blush, I'm going to use like this purple lipstick, and I'm just gonna apply a little dot going upwards, and I'm gonna do it on the other side because this type of blush, it goes a very long way. And I'm gonna blend that. And when I blend it, guys, I'm blending it upwards. You don't want to blend it downwards because it makes your face look like it's going down, and you want to look youthful and vibrant, all that. So just blend it upwards. I'm gonna set my face with my beauty blender and setting powder, applying it on the outer parts of my face and moving inward. I'm gonna just take my big fluffy brush and just brush all that off. Next, I'm just gonna take a little bit of highlighter, and I'm just gonna highlight the bridge of my nose, then just blend that in with my finger. Nothing too crazy. This step is really easy. Okay guys, now for my lip, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do my regular lip. So I'm gonna take some black lip liner and just line my lips, and then I'm gonna take some like purple lip liner and just line over that. And then I'm gonna take like this like mauve matte lipstick. Okay guys, so now that I finished my lip combo, I'm just gonna add some freckles because I think that would be a very cute like accessory to this look. Okay guys, so this is the ending of today's video. This is the final look. I like it. I think it turned out pretty cute. I would not go outside like this ever. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I hope you guys stay tuned for the next one.
Always like a fool, ow, ow, ain't nothing new now, now.